Hello everyone, welcome to our Nanhua drumming session. Today I'm going to teach you the third class of the third part of water sleeves drum. The first line is 1 4 7 2 4 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 4 7 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now let's try on a drum using the tempo of 110. Ready? Let's increase the tempo to 130. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our third class of water sleeves drum. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.